Hi everybody, Namaskar everybody. There is a wonderful opportunity to register PhD from Banaras Hindu University by appearing Research Entrance Test RET. So from this you'll get more and more updates, you know, uh, the important instructions for this admission process that I'll show you. You need to get, first of all, get ready with all the application process. With this, PhD admission, integrated MPhil, PhD, and MPhil programs. Through this admission process, you need to appear entrance test, RET, research entrance test in various subjects, arts, commerce, Sanskrit, social sciences, medicine and Ayurveda, and dental sciences, law, education, and Sanskrit Vidya, Dharma, Vignan, and various subjects: environmental sciences, management studies, social sciences, medicine, visual arts, performing arts, and science. So different various subjects here under disciplines, and different languages, faculty of arts, different languages like Arabic, no vacancy, Bengali, English, Chinese, French, German, Russian, Marathi, Indian languages, also Hindi, linguistics, Pali, Buddhist studies, Persian, Sanskrit, and all different languages also PhD admissions are available, and along with Urdu and ancient Indian history, culture and archaeology, history of arts, philosophy, tourism management, Indian philosophy and religion, journalism, mass communication, Telugu, library and information science, physical education, and mathematics, geography, statistics, home science. In all these different subjects, we have uh, entrance tests for various disciplines in the university. So these are all the things we can see that different subjects here in this, including medicine, and all subjects are available. The subject which you belong to, you can apply for your particular subject. And what is the procedure to apply for this, and age limit and other details, qualifying examination, for admission into PhD programs, minimum of master degree with 55 percentage of marks, and minimum of max 50 percentage. Record for details as given below here, faculty wise. Minimum of normal, minimum percentage is about 55 percentage is compulsory, and where for various subjects various percentage is required here. And you can see that track record, faculty of different subjects here. There is a ratio of calculations that you can see. Even for master of philosophy come, that is a integrated course, MPhil and PhD program. And here is the reservations and relaxations are also mentioned. For scheduled caste 15 percentage, scheduled tribe 7.5 percentage will be exemption for various disciplines. And this program is of open to all to appear the entrance exam, research entrance exam, and the relaxation of percentage is also there. And various subjects here you can see that in this particular page. And different code numbers for different subjects that you can cross check, and how many intake are also there in this with discipline wise, and general notes and general rules and regulations are also there here in this page. And What is the application procedure and all that you will come to know in the upcoming pages. Eligibility requirements for qualifying examination and percentage of marks under section C, that you will get it for admission into PhD. RET will have two components. Test A will be based subject knowledge, assessment of logical and analytical capability, and research methodology. And test B will cover research proposal and personal interview to test aptitude for research. This is the most important point under taking admission into PhD and or MPhil. And test A is aimed to assess the subject knowledge of the candidate at the master level degree, PG level. There will be 100 MCQ questions, and the test will have 120 minutes and 300 marks. And each question will carry 3 marks, so that 100 multiplied by 300 marks. And candidate must secure minimum of 35% marks in the test A, and test B will cover research proposal and personal interview. That means you need to come forward with your research proposal, and a candidate approximately 4 times of the seats based on merit may be called for the test B. That means 1:4 will be selected for appearing interview with your research proposal. All eligible candidates of research entrance test exempt category candidates shall also take test B of the selection process. And also test B will be of conducted in the concrete concerned department, school or center by board of appointed for the purpose will carry total marks of 50 for its components. Writing on 2-page research proposal which will be awarded for 25 marks and followed by personal interview 25 marks. That means they will assess your curiosity towards your learning, towards your research on your research proposal. And that is of 25 marks. Altogether 50 marks will be awarded in test B, that is for interview. All the candidates called for this test will be asked to write on the spot research proposal of their choice in 30 minutes and submit the same to the HOD or COS or COC. The research proposal need not be related to the work that the candidate may actually carry out if registered for PhD. As per your curiosity, you have to mention your research proposal. That may not be necessary to take as the topic for the research ahead. This would essentially be a hypothetical research proposal wherein the candidate will provide a title or write achieve objectives, methodology, and possible outcomes. The interview board will examine the research proposal submitted by the candidate and ask questions related to it particularly, and other questions including those relating to the area in which the candidate expects to undertake research if selected, to test his or her competency for research in the discipline. A candidate applying in more than one discipline will appear at test B separately in each of the disciplines for which he or she has applied and shortlisted. And the next point, for this particular program, test A and test B will be, for all the subjects, it will be common to all. But uh, separate test B should be attended, and application processing test fee is about for all the disciplines, all the mentioned above subjects for the various disciplines. SC/ST and PWD people have to pay 400 rupees online, and others will have to pay 800 rupees for the entrance test fee. So that once if you fill the data, that will not be changed, so that you have to be alert while and entering the data online on the online application form. Once you fill the application form, that cannot be changed. So this is all the particular for this RET. So try to apply for this and get ready for the exam entrance test, and uh, try to secure seat in the university to get PhD or MPhil that you are interested. and wish you good luck and try to apply for this, and wish you happy, uh, happy and beautiful life after securing a seat and after completing your doctorate from this university. And keep watching my channel to get more and more updates, and subscribe my channel to get more updates in the future also. Thank you one and all for watching my channel.